Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits of installing a dipstick to your vehicle. So these Volvos, these didn't come actually with a physical dipstick from factory, they came with an electronic one. So I've just recently installed a physical one, and in this video is just going to talk about why this is a good thing. So let's get into it. Okay then guys, so as you can see, the dipstick here, it's absolutely brand new. It's not covered in crap like the rest of the engine. Yeah, it was really easy to install, and you can actually buy the kit from eBay. Volvo dealers sell it on eBay. You essentially just buy the parts, they all fit together, and you fit it yourself. But yeah, why would you go to the trouble of doing that? Well, there's a fair few reasons, and most of them are to do with ease of use, ease of sort of maintenance, everything like that. So the main reason that I've done it is because I prefer to do my oil changes rather than climbing underneath the car or jacking the car up, draining the oil out the bottom. I prefer to use what's called an extractor, which is essentially a pump that has a tube that goes down into the dipstick, into the sump, and basically extracts the oil out using air pressure. Yeah, like I said, it just saves you climbing underneath the car. It's much cleaner as well. You don't have to have any drain pans to try and catch the oil. Less spills like those ones over there. As you can see, I've managed to jet wash the contents of the driveway onto the front of the car. So yeah, you just don't get that mess, and it saves you having to climb underneath the car, which for me is a big bonus. Also, when you're conducting that oil change, you can actually see how much oil you're putting back into the car. Just relying on the electrical sensor alone makes it really difficult to actually judge properly how much oil you need to put in. So this just gives you a perfect little reading of how much oil is currently present in the vehicle. So as you can see, we're about halfway on the marks there, whereas on the car it normally just tells you that you're absolutely fine, which is great, but you sort of want to know where it is. And then finally guys, is so that you can actually see the oil itself. So obviously on an electric one you will never actually see the oil, so you can't tell what sort of condition it is in. Whereas if we pull this out now, you can see that it's fairly fresh and it's still got sort of browny colour. This is Castrol fully synthetic oil, so it comes as a browny colour as standard, and as you can see, it's not too badly done. It's probably only got a couple of 100 miles on it, this oil, so that'll be the reason for that. But for me, as someone who's quite mechanically involved with their car, I like to be able to see what oil's doing, how it's sort of holding up, the colour of it, and you can sort of then adapt your oil changes around that, which is also just makes life easier. So yeah, that's it guys. There's a reason that this mod is done on all the police Volvos, and they're pretty much the same as what I have done it. The kit itself cost me £62 in total, and I just fitted it myself the other day, and I've got a full video on that showing you how to do it. So yeah, if you've got one of these Volvos, I definitely recommend doing it. It just makes your life so much easier in the long run. It means that you can just check on your car that bit more frequently if you're weird like me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.